Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I would be reviewing the NYBE HD Spotless Liquid Concealer, which I have in two different shades, but they are very close to each other. So I will just review these two products, so how to use it and how get the benefits out of it. So let's get started into the video. So these are the concealer, HD Spotless Concealer. I have the shade 1 and 3. So number 1 shade, you can get the shade out here. It's white milk chocolate pretzel, and this is dark chocolate, dark and white chocolate pretzel. So these are the colors which I have chosen. So I'll just show you how the colors look like on the if I am going to the cover, back to the cover, you can see the manufacturing date, which is mentioned 032020, and the use before date is 022022. So it's you do have 2 years almost, and the price which is mentioned is 195, but I have bought it from Purple, and if you buy it from Purple, you will on and off. There are sale which is going on, they give off, so you can buy it a lesser price than this one. I will just mention with what price I have bought it from the Purple in the description box, and I will also give the link so that you it's easy for you to find out the product. So the net weight of the product is 3 ml, both are the same, and there are many things which are written. The camouflages the skin irregularities, long wear and creaseless, even skin tone blends like a dream. Lightweight formula provides natural looking coverage. I will also show you the application, how I use this concealers and how I use this concealers as substitute to foundation also sometimes. So each concealer comes in this box, so it is very well packed. Now I'm showing you the concealer I've used also. This is the concealer, which is the shade number 1, white milk chocolate, and the second one is a bit darker. This one is a bit darker, this one is a lighter. I use it for highlighting the my skin, for highlighting the parts which I need to highlighting. And this is a I have bought it if I in case need for highlighting, or if I am using it instead of the foundation, I use this one. So I'll just show you how I use it. I'll just take off my specs, and if I come to the bottle, it's a very transparent bottle which has the manufacturing date and the price, and also you will be getting to see the product, how much you have been using, or the color of the product, which is very useful, and there is no leakage or any problem with this bottle, I think. And the best part is you can see the manufacturing date and the expiry date, because it's sometimes in many products I've seen it's mentioned the carton but not in the product. What shade you are using, you will get this in your bottom part also, it is mentioned in a sticker. So let's see how the applicator is like. This is a applicator. This is the applicator. This is a thin applicator. Okay, so this is how it look like, and I will just the go to the other one. The other one is also the same. You will find the manufacturing date, the expiry date, every one thing mentioned in the bottle. So which is very convenient, very useful. If you throw the carton also, then it will not be like that, you will not be able to understand. So I am taking this applicator, I am just providing few dots, and on my lids also, because if you are doing any eye makeup, you definitely require a perfect base for your eyes. A little bit around the nose, because sometimes you feel like, so you can see it holds a lot of products, so one time you take it out, it's enough. So I'll just do it with my fingers only, I'll just blend it out. See how easy it blends. So with a fingertip also you can blend it like this. So I'll do it. So that's it. It got blend like so easy. You just can carry it in your bag, and you can apply anywhere instead of a foundation if you want to use it. So this is the very 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 convenient and the very best price at which you can get a concealer. For a beginner, I would definitely suggest this one, because I have been using this for a couple of times. You can understand from the product level which was showing here. So the product is very good. I am showing this in a very normal, I have not switch on my AC, because in this hot you need to go outside, you need to go around, and you cannot sit in the AC all the time, except you are in the office or you are somewhere every in a shopping mall, in a dining place. But sometimes many people who are going around streets, and they also need to do their makeup. And for beginners also, it's very easy, very important to know that they need to whatever makeup you make, you need to hide your dark circles, your black spots, so that it gives a flawless skin or a flawless base to do your makeup. So it's very 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 good product, which is I would suggest everybody should use. Everybody should give it a try before the pujas, because the puja is a time when we try out many things and we buy things. So if you just are looking for a coverage, like it's a not a high coverage, but it's a medium coverage it will give. If you apply for a second layer, it will give a little bit more high coverage, but I think it's the best you can find it in this. I approximately, I can tell you, I bought it at around 130 or something, but I'll definitely mention in the description box, as I told you. So it's a concealer plus foundation which you can use at. And in this video I will just give you the link that this base I will be doing a makeup, a little bit of makeup, like a everyday makeup look. So if you're interested, please go to the description box and see the video which I have done with this base only. So thanks for watching. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to like, share and comment.